Is it a crime if you destroy marital property in Alabama? So we're going to play You Be the Judge. You're going to decide this, and I'll tell you at the end of the video whether you got it right or wrong. So here's our fact scenario. Mr. Punch is unhappily married to his wife, Judy. And between them, in the course of their marriage, they've acquired a very nice Corvette. And Mr. Punch says to his wife,
I want to get a divorce.
And she says,
Well, that's fine.
but she says,
But I'm giving that Corvette to our daughter.
and he goes,
Yeah, well, no. You can sell it. You give me half of what you get. I don't care what you do with the other half, but I'm getting my half. You ain't doing that.
she goes,
Oh, no, you're not. I'm giving it to the daughter.
so he says,
I got a solution for that. I'm going to take care of that right now.
goes outside. He has a beat up old 2-ton pickup truck. He gets in, revs the engine, boom, smashes into the Corvette, destroying it. Well, Judy calls the police. Officer Fife comes along and he arrests him for criminal mischief. Now the case is going to go in front of you as the judge, and you have to determine is Mr. Punch guilty or not. Well, first you need to know what the law is. In Alabama, a person commits the crime of criminal mischief if they have the intent to damage property, and they either have no right to do so or no reasonable belief that they have a right to do so, and by so doing, they inflict damage to property. What do you decide? The case is in front of you. Well, of course, people have lawyers. And come to court, Mr. Punch is represented by the great Flambeau. And Mr. Flambeau argues to you. He says, Your Honor, it is impossible to destroy that which is yours. Mr. Punch owned the car. He and his wife owned the car. He could not destroy it because it was his to destroy. He had a right to do so, Your Honor. Now the prosecutor, Mr. Otto von Wienerschnitzel, he argues the case for the state of Alabama, and he says, Your Honor, he cannot destroy the marital property without destroying half that belongs to the wife. And while he may be able to destroy his part, he cannot do so without destroying her part. And therefore, he is guilty because he has destroyed her part as well. Now, you're the judge. What do? Who's right? If your decision is that you side with Flambeau and you go, hey, it's his property and he can destroy his property and tough luck to Judy, then you would have made the right decision under Alabama law. But if you were a judge in California and you made that same decision, you would be wrong, because in California, the courts say, wait a second, they side with the prosecutor. Wait a second, he can't destroy his half without destroying her half. He has no right to destroy her half. Therefore, he would be guilty. So from this video, you've seen that the law is a tricky thing, and thankfully for us lawyers, this is what gives us jobs. If you find yourself in any kind of a legal jam here in North Alabama and you'd like our help, give us a call. The phone number is below. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Thanks for watching. If you want to give us a little bit of a boost, if you'll give us the thumbs up, that's great. Thanks again for watching.